How can we engage students in a meaningful hands-on learning experience that not only teaches them content but also encourages them to reflect on their learning journey? In this video, I will walk through a proposed interactive instructional material that blends project-based learning, outdoor education, and reflective inquiry, taking a place-based approach to connect the classroom with real-world experiences. My instructional materials will be a multimedia-rich learning tool. It will include videos, interactive quizzes, maps, real-world case studies, and self-assessment tools that students can explore at their own pace, both in the classroom and also the outside. This will allow students to engage with the material interactively, making learning more hands-on and meaningful. The first one is project-based learning. Through project-based learning, students will be tasked with a real-world problem that requires them to actively engage, collaborate, and solve problems. Expeditionary learning, so it's incorporating the expedition, so which just means students will explore their surroundings, whether urban or natural, and it's used this real-world setting as classrooms. Um, the second one is place-based learning. So my aim will be encourage students to connect with the community in an environment around them. For example, a field trip could become a cornerstone of a unit where the digital material prepares students before and after the expedition. The third one is outdoor education. So the tool will offer virtual tours, interactive scavenger hunts, and problem solving challenges that encourage students to engage with nature, encouraging outdoor learning. The next one is reflective inquiry. After each project or activity, students will use reflection, journals, and discussion boards in digital IM to capture their thoughts, feelings, and insights on what they've learned. For example, in a unit on local ecosystem, students would first watch a series of short, engaging videos about various habitats. Then, using an interactive map tool, they would explore their local environment virtually, identifying species and ecosystems. Finally, students would create their own field guides, integrating both content they've learned digitally and from their outdoor experiences. Each student's progress will be automatically recorded with areas where they need improvement highlighted for follow up. So the reflective journal features will allow for asynchronous student-teacher interactions, giving personalized feedback. The IM can be expanded to involve international peers, creating cross-cultural learning experiences where students share local environmental challenges and solutions. The IM will include collaborative features where students can join groups to complete a project such as designing a community garden by researching various environmental aspects using the tool. So once the ideas are formed, they can actually present them to the class or even upload videos of their group discussions. Students will have the autonomy in choosing the areas they wish to dive deeper into. So if a student is more interested in the plant species of the region, so they can explore the topic with resources provided within the IM. For example, by using this IM, students won't just learn theory. They apply their knowledge, collaborative with peers, and also reflect on their learning. So they gain hands-on experience in their own environments, making the learning process meaningful and long-lasting. The IM can be expanded to involve international peers, creating cross-cultural learning experiences where students share local environmental challenges and solutions. Conclusion, the proposed instructional materials are designed to enhance students' engagement, support differentiated learning, and promote deeper understanding of the lesson objectives. By integrating these resources into classroom instruction, we aim to create a more meaningful, effective, and inclusive learning experience for all learners